Alright, today we're going to do a quick and easy thing, I think. Here we're going to replace the license plate lights in my 2012 Kia Soul here. The same procedure should work on 2009 all the way up to 13, so let's get to it. Alright, so here we are. I got these I'm going to replace. You can see I got one light out according to the oil change place the other day, but seems if I touch it, I did the other day, of course it's not going to, it came on. So I'm going to do this hot. I'm going to replace it there. Like I said, these are LEDs versus the little bulbs. All we really need here is a screwdriver to get the stuff out. So I'm going to pop out one side here. You just stick the screwdriver up on the slot here and really just one side. There we go, it's out. So now we got this thing hanging here. I'm going to twist out the bulb, and there's the bulb. These are, so they're LED. They're equivalent of the 168, which is what this car takes, and probably a lot of other vehicles. So we're going to test this. Take one out here. I'm doing this with my headlights on, so we're going to see if this actually works right off the bat. Now these lights supposedly have a 50-50. So just pull out. So you got a 50-50 chance of putting this in the right way because the polarity does matter. So let's just stick this in here. See if I get it the right way. See if it works. Oh, looks like it's trying to. Oh, that's easy. So that's pretty bright. Now I know that I got it in the right way, or maybe this doesn't matter, but either way we got a nice bright light. Twist it back in here. And pop it back up. Now you can see these are way brighter in comparison. I'll film it at night after it's done. I have a before of both these lights at night too, but we're doing this during the day. So let's pop out this side. Maybe. Alright, there we go. Got it dangling. This doesn't have as much cord as the other one did. Don't want to reveal my license plate to you. Alright, so I got less cord to play with on this one for whatever reason. Let's see if I can twist this out of here. Why is there less cord? It's not fair. One was easy. Alright, let me see if I can get the right angle on here. Alright, so this might be a little hot. What do you think? It's a little hot. Let's see, I need something to grab it with. Here we go. Sitting on a towel, we're going to do it. Pulled it. Alright, so let's get the other one out the box here. I don't know if you're supposed to be touching these LEDs or not, actually, but guess what's happening. Alright, we got the short straw here. Let's guess and see if which way does it go in? I can't see. Like this. Alright, so that's on. That's bright. So now we gotta... Alright, so we know it goes that way in there. So let's try to get a good angle again on here. Try to twist it in. Alright, I gave it a good twister and snap it back in. There you go. We just replaced the license plate lights from these old crappy ones, which aren't that bright, to these new cool ones. So $10 LED lights. Now I got brighter lights where the cops and toll booth people can see me better. So I'll show you the differences at nights between the old ones and the new ones. But that's about it. Y'all have a good day.
Please subscribe to DACHKRAM Studios to see more of our cool videos.